We're back with more breaking inputs coming in. Abhijit Gangopadhyay asked to be present in the national capital. Apart from that, Bandi Sanjay, Kishan Reddy are on their way to the Prime Minister's residence, and so are Rajnath Singh. Abhijit Gangopadhyay has been called as well. Sabyasachi is giving us more details on that. Abhijit Gangopadhyay, of course, one from Tamluk. He is the former judge of the High Court at Calcutta.
Well, absolutely. See, former Justice Abhijit Ganguly and the Member of Parliament from Tamluk has been asked by the High Command to come to the national capital. He has received a call. See, from the state of Bengal, two leaders have received the call, Shantanu Thakur and Abhijit Ganguly. See, both of them as of now are not currently inside Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence, but they have been asked to report to national capital. It is yet to be seen whether they would be part of the cabinet or not, but both of them have been asked to report to the national capital by today. See, from Bengal, these two leaders have got a call today, and both of them have been asked to report to the national capital by the High Command.
Right, so you're saying they've been asked to be present in the national capital, whether or not, they have been given the cabinet call, we don't know. But at the moment, as we speak, they're not at the Prime Minister's residence, you're saying, Sabyasachi?
Well, absolutely. See, both of them currently have not reached Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence, but these two leaders have given a call by the High Command. See, for Shantanu Thakur, it is extremely crucial because he comes from the Mathua community, which has been showing and extending their support to the BJP. So it was extremely crucial that the BJP sends out one representative from the Mathua community, and that is the reason why Shantanu Thakur has been given a call. And Abhijit Ganguly, who just won from Tamluk constituency, he was the former Justice of Calcutta High Court. He has also received a call, and he is asked to report to the national capital. He will fly to Delhi, but it is not clear whether he would be part of the cabinet designate or not. That is yet to be seen. But both of the leaders have been asked to report to the national capital.
Pragya as well. There are many who are on their way to the Prime Minister's residence, Pragya, and then there are some who have been asked to be present in the national capital. But we don't know whether or not they have been given the cabinet call and whether or not they'll be seen at the Prime Minister's residence. But all of those who are at the Prime Minister's residence at the moment have been given the cabinet call. On your screens, you can see Shivraj Singh Chauhan as well, the former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Then there are leaders like Mr. Jeetanram Majhi also making their way to the Prime Minister's residence. Many, in fact, have already reached the Prime Minister's residence where the event will begin any time now. The Prime Minister, remember, is hosting these cabinet mantris, his core team, ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. Let's go back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, we're also getting visuals of some celebrations underway. But tell us what's happening at the Prime Minister's residence. Who all are expected? Okay, I believe Pragya is back with us. Quickly going back to Pragya. Pragya, there are some who've been asked to be present in the national capital. No clarity on whether they are going to be inducted or not.
The leaders who are going to be inducted are already at 7 LKM. All of them have reached. There's a Chai Pe Charcha that Prime Minister will do like last time. And this is a customary practice with the Prime Minister. Whenever there's oath-taking ceremony, he invites all of them who are going to take oath early in the morning here for a tea. And there he'll speak his mind. He'll greet them and he'll congratulate them. This is what also happened last time with the ministers who were inducted in his cabinet. So these leaders are here inside, and we should be knowing that these are the people who are going to take oath in the evening. There is a list, there's a preparation going on right now at the President House for that. But everyone was waiting for this particular call since last night, and the call started going out only early in the day. We had Jitan Prasada, we had Jyotiraditya Scindia. There are many big names in the last cabinet who looks like that they have been retained. Now Mr. Hardeep Puri, Rao Inderjit Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman is also inside, Piyush Goyal is inside. There are so many who have been retained, and this shows that Prime Minister has faith in people who are performing, who have performed and delivered.
Those who got the cabinet call are at the Prime Minister's residence. and the cadre on ground is celebrating the formation of the cabinet. We'll get you all the updates on government formation, on the cabinet which finally has taken shape, and get you more details on the interaction that will perhaps happen between the Prime Minister and his core team as the tea party there begins. Pragya and Sabyasachi will continue to be with us on the broadcast. A very quick break. Stay on with us.